Learners, welcome back to my class Advanced Words Part 1. In this class, I am going to teach you the advanced words. We know this is English language, which is the vehicle by which the people of the whole world can express their views, their opinion. And in this world of globalization, English has become global language. And fortunately, this language has earned the prestige of being international language. So, if we want to be smart, if we want to be updated, then we should know the update words, the advanced words. And in this lesson, I will try my best to discuss about advanced words. Now, let's start. Here, we see number 1, very interesting. Here, instead of very interesting, we will use fascinating, impressive. We will avoid the word very. Instead of very interesting, we can use fascinating or impressive. And now we will practice a sentence. We know practice makes a man perfect. So let's start practice. Here, she told me a fascinating story yesterday. That means she told me a very interesting story. And instead of very interesting, we will use fascinating. Okay. Next, number 2, very honest. We'll tell instead of very honest, straightforward. We'll tell frank. We'll tell respectable. And we can see the example. Atif Ridwan is a respectable person. We are using here a respectable person instead of very honest. And this is very traditional. So we will be update, we will be upgrade, and we will use update language, update words. After that we see he gave me straightforward responses. Number 3, very often. Instead of very often, we will use transparent or innocent or bright. Here we see the example. Thank you for being transparent with me. Not very open. After that, I am pleased at your bright or innocent behavior. You can say I am pleased at your bright behavior, at your innocent behavior. And after that we see very poor. Instead of very poor, we will use destitute, impoverished, helpless. And we can see the example. We drove through improvised neighborhood. Don't neglect the helpless. Instead of don't neglect the very poor, we will use don't neglect the helpless. Dear audience, these are the lesson of advanced words. And see you again in my next class. Bye.